Alrighty, guys, here's another video breaking down buy and sell zones. All right, so let's simplify this number one. Make sure you haven't skipped any chapters or any videos and you're not just jumping straight here. For you to truly understand buy and sell zones, you must understand support resistance. So, what's the difference? In my head, it's the exact same thing. This is the difference right here, what I'm about to say with the buy and sell zones. With support resistance, many traders are so rigid, so particular about getting the exact price. By the way, this the ticker is SQQ. Support resistance lines have already been made. So they're very stuck on the exact price. So what does the buy and sell zones do? It makes you be a little more fluid where it's not the exact price. And also one of the big reason is market makers stop hunters. When you put your stop loss, you're like, oh man, I got stopped out. I got stopped out. The buy and sell zones are going to protect you from that. So let's check it out. Let's break this down. Again, I already made the support resistance lines. This was already in a previous video, so I don't want to waste your time doing that. I am on the 15-minute time frame. So what you want to do is, let's just zoom in a little bit. Let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, expand. So we're going to jump. Again, you can make these on the 5, the 15. You're going to look for clusters. If you read the book, that chapter, you know what to do. But let's jump to 1 hour. Let's zoom in. Let's zoom in. All right, cool. You know we did a good job when it stays within our support resistant lines. So let's start. Let's start right here. We'll pick this area to buy, from here to here. So let's go. So right here is the box, by the way. 1, 2, 3. The fourth one down. It should say brush. You're going to do rectangle. Start it. It's already here. So what we want to do is first make the buy zone. So how do we start that? Very simple. Top of the body, right here. And you're going to go to the bottom of the wick. There you go. So now we made it here. If you would have bought in anywhere within this range, you're safe. You're like, oh, professor, it's already been it's already happened, whatever. Okay, cool. Let's go back in time. Look at that. If you would have bought anywhere here, let's go back further. Oh, does it have any more data? Oh, yeah, it does. Perfect. Let's go. Anything below this would be a short, by the way, but we're not looking at a short right now. We're going to talk about long. So if you would have bought anywhere in here, and of course got out, your stop loss is under it, of course. If you would have bought anywhere in here, rocket ship. Let's go back further. Any more data? Oh, God is good. God bless you, SQQQ. What a good example you got for me going on this video. So if you would have bought anywhere within this buy zone, you would have been good up to your level of resistance. Oh man, double the fun here. Same across the board. That's a good zone right there. So that's that. Simple. You got that. Now let's do by the way, this is the 1 hour. I'll show you what it looks like on the 15, the 5 in a second. Let's make the sell zone. So how do you make the sell zone? Again, right here, rectangle. So what you want to do is go and find the top of the wick. Let's go right here. Okay. Top of the wick. And then you're going to go to the bottom of the body. Let's see if the magnet's going to allow me to do this. Yeah, it is. Okay, perfect. Again, you can change the color. Technically, it doesn't really matter, but I'll change the color. Some people will be particular on that. Cool. So let's go back in time. So you would have bought here, sold anywhere in here. And if it looks bullish, by the way, one of the key things I've said already, make sure you're on regular candles. Now that we made our buy and sell zone, let's go to Heiken Ashi. Here we go. And let's jump to 15-minute. Here we go. So now, this is oh, God is good. What a good example. Yes, this is pre-market, but this is a good example. We'll go back and look at some more past history on this. If you would have bought anywhere in here, you would have been safe. And once it got out of here, again, don't put in a full position. You buy in a little bit, buy in a little bit, buy in a little bit, and then however you want to play it, a quarter position, half position, 3/4, but not full position. And then you just sell within here. Let's go look at it in the past. Same as happened here. Buy a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, and then rocket ship, sell anywhere within here. Let's go to a smaller time frame. Let's go to the, 5-minute time frame. Check that out. Look at this. Once it gets out of your zone, you're not supposed to be buying anymore. You're not supposed to be buying anymore. Let's go back in the past. Let's get more examples. Here you go. As long as you bought within the buy zone, you're safe. Get out anywhere in the sell zone. And that's it, really, guys. Oh, hit the wrong button. That's it. Simplified right there. You have the rest of the book. This is exclusive to you guys that bought the book. I appreciate you. And that's it. That is buy and sell zones. Please also make sure you always make support resistance lines. Look for the clusters. Always look for the clusters. That is the key that you want to keep in mind. All right, guys, keep up your trading. May peace be upon you all.